Today during your phonics word study lesson, you talked about Greek roots and how those roots help you understand the definition of some English words. For your practice, you're going to be playing this bingo game. First, you're going to look at the definition of a Greek root on the blue cards. For this one, the word is sound, and I know that P-H-O-N, phone, is the definition of sound. So I am going to move a red X to a word that has phone in it, which means sound. And I see right here, symphony. So I'm going to move that to this word, which symphony is a group that makes sound. And I'm going to move that up and reveal my next definition. I'm going to think about what Greek root means C, and I'm going to move a red X to one of those words. I will continue doing that until I form a bingo straight across horizontally or up and down vertically. Submit on Schoology when complete.